Hola chicas, your girl is back with another video. I'm back with another Amazon wig install. I have a 13x4 lace front wig. I did pluck the wig. It came pre-plucked, but your girl did her own little razzle dazzle to it. And y'all, I'm super excited to show y'all how I got this beautiful install. This wig, for it to be from Amazon, definitely is like a top tier in my book right now, like seriously. But you know, first things first, we're gonna go ahead and cut our ear tabs to make sure we have the wig to fit on our size correctly. And yeah, stay tuned throughout this video because I am going to go over the things that I loved about this wig and things that I felt like it could improve on. But overall, so far, this wig is very great. Like with me doing the shampooing process and everything, it was simple, clean, and easy. And I'm just loving how this look really turned out. Right now, I'm not really doing anything extravagant besides, you know, cutting my ear tabs. We're getting straight into the process now with our Kiss lace adhesive spray. Y'all, I said in my last video that I had the volume 7 and I was on the hunt for the volume 9. The volume 7 is more like a hairspray and adhesive in one. The volume 9 is the adhesive, and it's a big difference. Like honestly, as y'all see, it looks kind of like glue, like when you put actual glue on your installs, which I don't use. And that was different for me. I was like, girl, am I using spray or glue? When I tell y'all that this spray alone has like a super good hold, it has a good hold. And I usually do 2 layers on my wigs because I usually like to take my wigs off overnight. But baby, once I was finished with this install, the wig is still on. The lace has not moved. Like, I did not expect that. It's really stuck, baby. It's stuck. But yeah, I'm happy I found the volume 9. I'm just going in on all the sides to properly lay it. But just be careful, because one thing I did notice while I was installing it, when you spray it, please do not touch it. Like, I have a habit of putting my finger on it to make sure that it's nice and tacky. In this case, with this type of spray, if you do that, I feel like you are messing up the spray for it to lay. Like, it's going to start getting sticky and icky and just mess up everything. So I just try to not do that. I learned the hard way, low-key. As y'all see, look at how the install is looking so far. Like, I plucked the wig, and honestly, I am going to go and pluck a little bit more later on throughout the video on the sides. But the plucking is top tier. Like, the plucking really made this install look good without the baby hairs. I'm going to put on my wig band, and then we're going to go from there.
Uno, two, tres, four. Uno, two, tres.
Hey, you went slime, baby, spur. Hey, you went drive around the world. Hey, you went brown like a squirrel. Hey, you went Chanel pearls. Hey, you went Rolls Royce car. Hey, you went Rolls Royce truck. Oh, you want wall all my hoes. Oh, you want to line it all up. Hey, I'm gonna play it how it is. Hey, I've been playing for some years. Hey, you trying to steal all the spill. Hey, I'm in the field on the pill. Hey, you want to spill in the spill. Hey, you my real nigga seals. Rolls Royce still on the field. Yeah. Oh, you ain't tough on. Oh, you ain't Flintstone. Oh, you took a little roll it off. Oh, you ain't big stones. Oh, you ain't 2 Instagram. Oh, you ain't ringtones. Oh, you ain't train on that bitch. Oh, you ain't ding dong. Oh, you ain't kingpin.
To achieve this look, you definitely have to hot comb your wigs. Hot combing your wig is definitely essential, and y'all, I hot combed this side on camera, the other one off camera, but I showed y'all how much of a difference it looked. Like, one side was definitely flat, the other side looked a little bumpy. Once we got that all set down and flat, we're going to go ahead now and start our ponytail. The lace front by itself does have a good bit of parting space, but on the sides not that much. So you're going to have to take a little bit of hair from off the wig in a different part and make sure you create your ponytail. And that's what I did. I took off the band and I'm just admiring how good I plugged and how the lace looks. Like, the lace overall is very, 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 very good. It's not HD or anything. It's more like a transparent. I don't know where they get this concept of HD transparent lace. I've been seeing that a whole lot lately on Amazon. I don't know what they mean by that. It's not HD lace. It's not like the actual HD, but it's thin and it's really good and I love it. But it's not HD. So don't think when you're going on Amazon looking for HD lace, it's going to look like it's going to be HD. It's not. But this lace is definitely giving HD if it makes sense. It depends on how you lay it, and especially with me using the spray, it was definitely essential. As y'all see, I'm cutting with my eyebrow razor and I'm trying to just get this nice jagged line. I'm not taking off that much lace like I normally do, and I feel like that right there made this install look even better. Admiring the lace right now as I am doing this voiceover. Do y'all see this? It looks so good. Right now, I'm just taking some of the adhesive spray and putting it on my finger and tapping it onto the lace, because some pieces of my lace did not lay down fully, so I'm just fixing it. But please do not, I do not recommend you spraying the spray directly onto the lace to fix it, because you're going to cause a whole lot of chaos, and then you're going to basically have to start back over pretty much. And once you put your band back on, it's not going to look right. So I'm taking out little pieces of hair in the front so I can create this little curly like bang effect that was really cute. I do not like doing baby hairs, because I know you're probably thinking like, girl, why didn't you do baby hairs on this wig? This wig did not need baby hairs. Like, you see how the plucking looks? Like, everything looks good. This style that I created, I came off the top of my head to think of it, is really good for this curl pattern. Like, it just gave what it was supposed to give. So I'm right now snatching as much hair as I can to create this ponytail, and I'm just sitting here putting hairspray on it, mousse, and hot comb. Like, I'm taking that adhesive spray, mousse, and hot comb and making sure this is very sleek. Right now, that's pretty much what's going on, and I'll be back in just a sec.
Yo, everybody, how you feel out there? I want to thank y'all for partying with me. Yeah. Oh yeah. You can turn the lights off now. Peace. Just back into it. Yeah. And let it touch. Come on and move. And let it touch. We cannot lose. Just let it touch. I will be true. Come on and let it touch. Just back into it. And let it touch. Come on and move. And let it touch. We cannot lose. Just let it touch. I will be true. Come on and let it touch.
I was not playing when I said that I wanted the ponytail to be nice and flat and sleek. And for me to create the ponytail on the first try, y'all, I'm super happy, because it takes a lot sometimes to do ponytails to have it sleek and flat. Just something doesn't look right. And honestly, I was happy with it. I was like, I'm not going to keep going again. I was hot combing, spraying, and moussing, hot combing, spraying, and moussing the thing down. Now I'm taking a little piece of hair, just a little bit, from out the ponytail so I can wrap it around the hair tie. I know the hair tie is black, but still, just this nice little detail just makes it look cleaner when it comes down to a ponytail look. No matter if it's like low ponytail or a higher ponytail, like just wrapping that little piece of hair around the actual hair tie just looks better. So I'm doing that. I know y'all are waiting for the actual, pros about this wig. I honestly can say I don't have any complaints besides one thing on this wig is when you receive the wig, you will smell like a nice little faint chemical stink smell, but when you wash the wig and condition it, that smell goes away. But overall, the length was there, the lace was there, everything. I would rate this a 9.5 out of 10 because of it having that weird smell. As soon as I took it out the package, that kind of threw me off. But if it wasn't for that smell, it would be a 10 out of 10. Like, I highly recommend. The density is definitely there.
Peace.
So I'm now taking this little small flat iron here and just wrapping it around to like curl and make this little curl thing that's there, like a bang. But you know when you have your little curly baby hair out, pretty much that's what you do. So I just want to give this nice little cute look because I got a big forehead in general. So I just sometimes like to give that illusion that I don't have a big forehead. Your girl camera died. I came back on with my makeup done. As y'all see, I'm getting ready to serve a look. I'm getting ready to brush the wig out. Y'all see the density. Do y'all see the density? I honestly could have just stopped right there. But with me, I love like a nice defined curly look. And me just having the wig fluffy like how it was, just not my style. Like I liked how it looked, but then I did not like how it looked on me. I'm going to go ahead and finish these little finishing touches. And yeah, we're getting ready to close out soon.
Oh yeah, you can turn the lights off now. Peace. Just back into it, yeah, and let it touch. Come on and move, and let it touch. We cannot lose. Just let it touch. I will be true. Come on and let it touch. Just back into it. And let it touch. Come on and move. And let it touch. We cannot lose. Just let it touch. I will be true. Come on and let it touch.
The finished look to the wig. I'm so happy with how this look turned out. Like it looks so good. I did my little makeup. It's just the little curls in the front. Like it's just not doing too much, but it's giving that look. It's doing what it's supposed to do. The curls are still drying a little bit. It's not wet, but it's probably like 80% dry. I am waiting for it to like fluff up a little bit more, but I don't want that poofy look. I want it nice and defined, but still, giving that look. I love everything about this wig. First things first, the quality is good. Like I feel like with this Amazon wig, out of all the curly wigs I've received, this is probably one of the best curly wigs I've received. I honestly can say that. It did come with a little smell, I must say that. It's still good. The washing process was easy. It did not shed so much. Like it just was doing everything that I was supposed to do in the right way. Like I love it. The lace was very thin. It's not HD, but it's thin enough for you to manage and get the job done. The lace, where is it? Where is it? Y'all tell me where the lace is at. I know you might have your magnifying glass still looking, but Where's the lace? Where is it? You can't really detect it right now. So yeah, I'm loving it, like my plucking style. I'm the girl who really did not like to do baby hairs, and this wig right here did not need any baby hairs at all. Like, this wig looks so good with how I styled it, just how it looks. Like, you cannot tell me this is not growing out of my scalp. Like, this looks so good, so good. Me making sure it's all flat. It's just giving. Like, my makeup is giving with it. Like, it's just giving that. All the details about this wig and the link will be down in the description box, so make sure you go below and check that out. If you made it this far throughout the video, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe, because if you made it this far and you have not subscribed yet, what are you doing? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and until next time, I will catch you in the next freaking video. Bye.